Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. So as you guys can probably tell, I'm looking a little smoky today, a little different than I typically do. Today I'm going to be playing around with the Morphe 35C palette and doing this cool toned smoky eye look with little hints of purple. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this smoky eye look, then just keep watching this video. And if you enjoy it, please make sure to subscribe to my channel while you're here. And yeah, here's the video. Before I get into the actual testing, I want to go ahead and swatch the palette for you guys because I am so excited and it's so pretty, and just like look at it. The purples and the greens are just like really catching my eye, so I think we're gonna have a really interesting eye look today. So here is the first two rows. I know there's a lot of light shades in the first two rows, but like those would work perfectly for me. There's just so many like pink and purple colors and I am living for it. I absolutely love it. It looks gorgeous. The shimmers look really pretty. I'm so excited. Here is the next like row in 3/4. I got a little carried away with these swatches and couldn't actually fit 2 whole rows in. So there is the next row or so. I am blown away by all of those gorgeous purple shades, like all the way up until this brown. Those purpley pinks, oh my goodness, they're stunning. There is a glitter. I don't have glitter glue or anything, so I'm not going to be using the glitter, but there is a glitter in here. They're just absolutely gorgeous. And honestly, this like cool toned brown shimmer right here, I love it. And right here, this shade right here is kind of one of those glittery shades like they have in the 35i palette. They have like these really pretty, I don't know how to describe them, wet looking glitters, and there's one of those in this palette and I'm so excited. So the last row is sort of like a dark row full of like browns and blacks and green. I can't believe how much I like this. I wasn't expecting to like it as much as I did. Like, I really am attracted to this green right here, but other than that, I wasn't really sure how I felt about this whole row. But these two blacks are like so creamy, and I'm really excited to try them out. Alright, so third time's the charm. This is my third time trying to film an eye look with this palette. I just apparently was just really not in the mood for it yesterday and could not get an eye look that actually looked decent. So here we are on my third attempt, and I think I'm just gonna go for like a basic smoky eye now. I kept trying to use like the purple and the green together, and that was just really not working for me. So now I'm going to try and use, I guess, this shade My Pleasure. Either My Pleasure or Enthralled. Maybe we'll start with Enthralled. I don't know, that's a little dark, but I think we're just gonna go for it. Taking a fluffy brush, now I'm gonna take the shade My Pleasure, which I think is just a slightly lighter, like maybe like olive green brown sort of color. By the way, this Alamar Cosmetics blender brush from the, I think, Reina, I'm not sure how you pronounce that, Volume 1 brushes is my favorite blender brush ever. It is the bomb. I will link those down below for you. That's actually not bad. Alright, I'm gonna take the shade Weekend Plans, which is a much lighter, like, nudie brown color, and I'm gonna blend that out using the same brush. And I'm just gonna take that a little bit further out, and now I think I have sort of a plan. Back into the shade Enthralled, and I'm just going to take that on my flat shadow brush and just kind of pack it back on since we lost some of that in the blending. Oh yeah, this is going so much better than me trying to mix the purple and the green, because I just am not talented enough with eyeshadows to make a look like what I was trying to do work. This isn't bad. I know I don't pull off smoky eyes as well as other people, but I'm getting better at smoky eyes. Alright, now I want to take one of these like purple shimmers, but I'm not really sure which one. Selfie Sesh. And I'm just going to put that all over where I put that black shade. Oh, yeah, I like that. It just kind of adds like a hint of purple because I kind of want to do some purple details to this, playing around with some other makeup. So I just covered like my whole eyelid. Now I'm going to take a little bit of Enthralled again, but I'm going to take it on the fluffy brush just so we don't really lose that color. I will say that cool tones like aren't my strong suit. I don't use a lot of cool tones. So asking for this palette for Christmas was kind of a jump in me trying to push myself to use things I don't always use and just trying to challenge myself a little bit. I want to get better at eyeshadow. I want to challenge myself with cool tones and stuff like that. That's just something I want to do. Alright, I'm gonna go do this on the other eye and I'll be right back. My base makeup is done. Now I'm gonna finish up the bottom part of my eye. I'm going to take Enthralled again, but I'm gonna run it really close to my bottom lashes. Now taking a little fluffy brush from BH Cosmetics, I'm going to do the same shade, but I'm going to blend it out a little bit. Then I'm going to take that lighter shade, Weekend Plans, and I'm going to blend it out. So now I want to try something a little bit different for me. I want to try and take one of my colored liners and like do a colored wing. Never done that before. So I'm going to take the Glisten Cosmetics Split Liner in the shade Grapevine, and I'm going to use the pastel side. If you guys want to check these out, use the code Emma10 at Glisten Cosmetics for 10% off your purchase. I'll link it down below. Also taking my Da Vinci eyeliner brush that I got off of Amazon. I'll link that down below too. Then I'm going to take the LA Girl Pastel Dreams eyeliner in Lavender. Alright, so now I'm going to add lashes because this looks getting a little crazy, but I feel like if I add lashes, it's going to look like really good. I'm not sure. I'm going to take the Lilly Lashes 3D Foam Ink in the style this. I was very kindly sent these gorgeous lashes to test out from Influencer. I'm so excited to try these out. I'm going to put these on off camera because I don't know how this is going to go, but I'm really excited to test them out. Alright, my eye look is complete. I probably look completely nuts, honestly, but I don't really care. Third time's the charm. It actually worked out. I just did a very, like, dramatic smoky eye, but added little hints of purple. Here is what the eye look looks like up close. What do you guys think? I know these lashes are a little bit bigger than any kind of lashes I would normally wear, but I kind of love it. I made the wings just a little bit bigger so they kind of stuck out a little bit more. Otherwise, it just kind of looks like a bunch of black eyeshadow, I guess. I think that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you found it a little fun, since this is definitely not my typical sort of look. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would really appreciate that. I post new videos every single Saturday, and I'll see you guys next Saturday. Bye!